Esab Apac's footprint stretches across nearly every Asia-Pacific nation as a premier supplier to the whole region, with an established corporate presence in 8 countries, with over 1,000 employees and 5 manufacturing facilities, including 2 joint venture plants. Esab Apac also provides an extensive service network that covers every account in Asia-Pacific, with process centers in Singapore, Shanghai, Melbourne, and Changwon, and the service range is just as robust too, covering a wide range of needs. Esab Apac, established in 1982, continues to grow exponentially. In just the last 3 years alone, Esab Apac has virtually doubled sales across all our many lines seen here. Esab process centers provide distributors and customers with hands-on support, training, and demonstration services for all its product lines, as Esab is fully committed to their success.
Listening to the voice of the customers is one of the Koufax key values. Through listening to our customers, we develop consistent and highly effective solutions to meet the challenging requirements of our customers.
Esab products and solutions are developed with input from our valued customers and built with the expertise and experience of a global manufacturing leader. Our vision is to be the go-to partner for welding and cutting by connecting people, product, and technology. We haven't slowed down either. We've recently accelerated our technology leadership with acquisitions that boost our welding tech portfolio. These companies strengthen our worldwide strategic focus and continue to make Esab the partner of choice for distributors, integrators, and end users. Esab's future couldn't look bigger or brighter. We're expanding, upgrading, optimizing processes, and we're constantly innovating, building on the accomplishments of the past that will lead to the engineering successes that shape the future.